10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And flat 5 right. 80 up mid. Fast 4 right, 60. Caution 4 left over crest, tightens to 2, don't cut, watch. 20, along fast 3 right, opens 4. 60. 5 left, 60. Caution 4 left over crest, tightens to 2. Flat 5 right over crest and square left. Square left here, 80. 5 right and 5 left, opens very long, 6. 100. 4 right. Into. Fast 3 right over bumps. And fast 3 right in. And crest into danger crest and watch 3 left. Into long flat 4 right. 60 over loose. 3 right, don't cut, log in. 40, flat 4 right, don't cut, logs. 100. 6 right and flat crest, 60. 6 left and flat crest, 150. Tight 4 left in. 40, 4 right, tight 4 left, into crest, 6 left and late 5 right, 80, 5 right, into 5 right, only 60, 3 right, very short 3 left, and short 3 left, 130 down, slippy brake in, turn square right to the bottom. 100 up. 5 left. 5 right in over crest. Into left on crest, 60. Long fast 3 right, continues past junction, don't cut. 40. Long fast 3 right uphill, don't cut. 80, slippy now, late shot 2 left, and very long 2 right up, 40, caution 3 left nips, very slippy, 80, long 6 left 100, 6 right to the crest 130, slippy brake in, fast 3 left past junction. And caution 3 left narrow, into 3 left. 150, okay now.
Then we're popping shaft.
Okay. Will it still drive?
Yeah, just.
Okay, tight 4 left here. And small crest. 5 right.
Can you find the hazards?
Yeah.
It's down there somewhere.
Hazards on?
Yeah, cheers.
Okay, we've got a while to go in fairness. $60 down, 3 right, don't cut. And long 5 right. 40. 6 left over small crest. And 6 left. Only 40, danger crest, tight 4 left in. Long 3 right down nips.
I don't know, it seems to be alright now.
Okay, just give it a go. 130 up mid. 6 left over small crest. Into long 6 right, tight and slow 4, keep in. And the long 2 left. $60. 4 left. 4 right, and crest into sudden 2 right. Here, 80. 6 right, 80. 5 left tightens, very long fast 3 left don't cut logs. And tight 4 left don't cut, opens to 5 keep in. Long at 5 right in. And fast 4 left don't cut. And 6 right of a crest bump, 60. Fast 4 left, 80. Long at 5 left up. And long flat crest 5 right. Only 40 down, caution 4 left in. Three right. .200, turn 2 left. Done 100. Into crest, 5 right in. 60 down, caution late hairpin left slippy. And long 5 right. 150. Long 3 right down. And 6 left. And 6 right. And flat 5 left 60. 6 left over crest and 5 left. 100. Fast 4 left. 100 down mid. Slow 5 left into turn tight, hairpin right. .60. 6 left. And 5 left down. 60. 6 right. 60. 6 right. Only 40. Shot 3 left. And caution 3 left tightens 2 don't cut. 80. 6 right. And 5 right. Into flat crest, into very long 5 right tightens 4 in. 80. Tight 4 right in. 80. Short 3 left in. And long 6 right. And 6 right. Into crest, into tight 4 left in. Into long 6 right continues. And long crest, into caution slow crest 4 right before the tree. Short 3 left past junction. Into 6 right, 60 down, 4 right in. 100 down mid. 6 right of the crest, only 40, 2 left slippy. And caution short 3 right. Into 2 left don't cut of a narrow bridge. Into long 3 left in. 40. Fast 3 right. 60. 3 left. 60. Care 5 left in of a crest. And tight 4 left, into 5 right, and fast 3 right in. Five left, 40. 5 left, 170 up mid over bumps. 6 right loose, and crest, 5 left, 6 right, 60. 6 left over small crest, 60. 5 right over bump. 150. Fast 4 right in of a crest. 60, 4 right. And very short 3 left. 100 over bumps. 6 left, 6 right. 100 over bumps, fast 4 right don't cut. And 6 left. And crest into fast 4 left. 40, late 4 right, into tight 4 left, 60 slippy to finish, 4 right slippy, and 4 right of a crest don't cut, and 4 right slippy opens, and caution 5 left tightens along 4 and turn 2 right. And 2 right over finish. Well done.